Well, first of all, cut out the sodas.
Sodas, you
Drink
cut the
more
sodas off.
water. Okay, eat less carbohydrates like the hamburger, only a piece of bread instead of the two.
Right, and
Give away the French fries if I ever eat them. Also, I increase vegetables and salads, and I eat no later than 6 o'clock
you know
in the
what?
evening.
I'm so happy you brought that up because here in the American culture and many cultures, people tend to eat late at night. If you consume your meals too late, what's going to happen? You're going to be gaining weight because you're not going to be using up that calories that you're consuming. So that's very important.
Yes, and of course, increase exercising.
Very nice.
Doing it in the morning or in the evening, or walking after each meal sometimes.
Right, and you told me you lost one whole size, right?
Yes.
Fantastic. So listen, you heard it from a regular person.